Hi everyone, I wanted to go ahead and take you through a brief walkthrough of your Math 147 online course. So the first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go to the Do This First block, which is the top block, or the aqua color block, which is going to be above the welcome message that I have for you. So once we're in here, here's where the first few assignments that I'm going to ask you to complete are located. So the first thing that I'd like you to do is please read the syllabus. The syllabus is actually located in a different folder, so this is actually a nice time to show you how to navigate there, or how to navigate the WAMAP site. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these breadcrumbs. So I'm basically going to come up here and I'm going to click on our course and it's going to take me back. This is going to serve as a back button. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the second block, or this green colored block, and go into course information. Syllabus is located right here at the top. Please make sure that you do read through this before you dive right into the course. I do want to make sure that you understand exactly what is expected of you in order to be successful in the course. This is also a great time to ask questions, just so you don't have anything hanging over your head as you progress through the course material. So let's go ahead and get back into the Do This First block. Once you're done, your syllabus quiz is located here. When we get in here, it's going to be 8 brief questions. Hopefully everything will be really intuitive once you finish reading through that syllabus. You can skip through questions if you want, so just make sure that you don't skip any, because hopefully this will be some easy points that you can add into your gradebook. So the next thing that I would like you to do is I would like you to post a bio, and that link, in order to do that, is going to be located here under Autobiographies. And once we click in there, you'll want to create a new thread for yourself. Add a subject, so something along your name and bio, or if you want to get a little bit more creative, feel free. And again, here's where you can share a little bit about yourself, so you can say, it was a warm, June night when I was born at 6:45 a.m. and so on. I'm not going to post that though. So, the last thing that I would like you to do is please go ahead and go into Intro to WAMAP. And once you are here, Intro to WAMAP is basically just going to make sure that you're comfortable using WAMAP as a tool in order to enter information. So again, it's a brief tutorial, and if you do have any questions, or if you do come across anything that is posing an issue, please let me know. And you can do that by either going into Messages, and then you can go ahead and send a new message, and my name will be right here. The other thing that you can do is, on most of your homework, you will have an option that will say Post Question to Forum. When you do come across this opportunity, please make sure that you do provide some background information. So please don't just put the question up and say, I don't know how to do this. If possible, please share what the first few steps were, or what you think you should be doing, or if there's a particular area where you feel like you're experiencing more challenge or kind of a snag. With more direction and more communication, myself and your classmates will be able to step in and probably give you more constructive and more meaningful feedback. The other thing that I want to note for you is if you go to the calendar, this is where all of your information is going to be. So right now, all of your homework assignments will appear on this calendar. Since we don't have anything due just quite yet, with the exception of the 3 items that I had mentioned, you won't see them. So each week, please make sure that you are going into your calendar and checking to see what information is coming up. So when your work assignments are due, when your quizzes are due, and when your homeworks are due. The items that are highlighted in blue here are just information that's been pulled from the academic calendar for Pierce College. So most of it is going to be withdrawal dates, or days that the campus will be closed. All right, I hope that this was helpful.